In today's video, I'll guide you on how to update graphics drivers on Windows 11 or 10 systems. Updating your graphics driver can fix a lot of issues like black screen errors, system crashes, display glitches, and compatibility problems with games and applications. Also, updating the drivers can improve gaming performance and optimize your system for the latest game releases. So without further delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do, right-click on the Windows Start button or Windows button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, look for Display Adapters and expand Display Adapters. Here you'll see your graphics card. Whether you're using Intel, Nvidia, or AMD graphics, it will display here. Now right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for the latest available driver and install it for you. In my case, my graphics driver is already updated and it says, the best drivers for your device are already installed. You can also update your graphics driver directly from the AMD or Nvidia control panel software. To do that, right-click on your desktop, and in the context menu, you'll see either Nvidia control panel or AMD software, depending on which graphics card you're using. I'm using AMD, so open it. This is how the AMD control panel looks. This is the home screen of AMD Adrenalin Edition. On the right hand side, you'll see the drivers and software section. Here you can click on check for updates and it will search for the latest driver updates for your graphics card. If an update is available, it will download and install it automatically. And if you're using Nvidia, open the Nvidia control panel, go to the Help menu, and there you'll find the Update option. So that's how easy it is to update your graphics driver in Windows 11 or 10 system. If this video helped you update your graphics driver, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.